Hi, and happy Monday. It's good to see you again. I wanted to touch base with you early in the week to kind of make sure we're all on the same page. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to print out your syllabus, at least the schedule, pages 4 and 5. It'll make it so much easier to keep up with what's going on. And I like to keep mine pinned to the wall there where I can easily refer to it and kind of check out. Anyway, so we are now in, let's see, today is the 15th. So we are in week 4 with Sappho and Sophocles and Oedipus and all that exciting stuff. I've posted a bunch of stuff under course content. Now for next week, week 5, it's a short week. So we're only covering Plato and Herodotus. But the course content was starting to get kind of full, so I created a new tab there called Week 5, and I think I'll do that for the rest of the semester, Week 6, Week 7, Week 8. What you're probably discovering by now is that this course moves really fast. You're decided to take a course where we're covering 16 weeks worth of material into just 8 weeks. So I hope that you're spending as much time on this course as you need to. It does take more time than many students realize, but if you'll take the time, if you'll read the material, if you'll read the supplemental material, and then sometimes you have to go back and read the original material again, that's okay. Take notes as you read. I think you'll get a good understanding, and I think you'll enjoy the course. So take the time it needs, read the material, think about the discussion questions. I've posted discussion questions that I use in my face-to-face class just to give you something to think about. But I've also posted some additional videos. One thing I need to point out is that on the assignment sheet it says the parable of the cave, but on the video it says allegory of the cave. It's the same thing. Also, I strongly encourage you to find a good YouTube video because that dialogue is so full of imagery that it's helpful if you can actually watch it, if you can see it. So find a good YouTube video, find 2 or 3, and see how different people handle it. Okay, you've gotten your first exam back. I should have your first papers graded by this Wednesday. We've done a bunch of the discussion posts. I think after Thanksgiving, I think we cut down to about 2 per week, but I'll double check to be sure. But be sure you're staying on top of those, and be sure you're staying on top of the reading assignments. And please, if you have any questions at all, shoot me a quick email, jfly@southplains.college.edu. Put your course number and section in the subject line, and I'll get back to you and answer you as quickly as I can. All right. Have a good week. Thanks.